What if I told you the biggest distraction in India isn't politics, isn't Bollywood, isn't Instagram, it's cricket.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
For 2 months every year, the country forgets its reality, student forgets their exams, employees stop working, families stop talking, and suddenly everyone becomes a cricket expert. India can never agree on religion, politics, or even on traffic rules, but somehow the whole country agrees on only one thing. You know what it is? It's cricket. The RCB fan suffers the most, the CSK fan enjoys the most. But you know there is a bad reality behind that. Behind that sixes, behind that stadium lightnings, behind that glamour and the billion-dollar hype, there is also another side which no one talks about. The obsession, the pressure, the entertainment, the money behind the IPL. Because IPL is no longer just cricket. It's marketing, it's influence, it's internet culture, it's political influence. And maybe it becomes too big to be just a sport. India has unemployment, students are anxious, people hate their jobs, economic is stressful, and that's the reason why cricket is too much big in India. Because for 4 hours you forget your dreams, you forget your failures, you forget your work. You just watch the match. In a country where millions of people feel invisible, cricket gives them one rare thing. That's hope, identity, and escape from the bad world. A man ignored in real life can wear a jersey, cheer for his team, and suddenly he becomes something. He becomes a fan of a team. But the escape is also about the perfect business. Every six, every meme, every controversy prints money, a lot of money. And that's why IPL is not just an entertainment. It has become a machine to print money. A machine that keeps India entertained, addicted, and distracted. Today we will break down how cricket became the most powerful entertainment industry in India. So how did cricket, a sport of patience, discipline, and tradition, turn into a billion-dollar empire? It all started in 2008. At first, people just think it was cricket with louder music, but slowly cricket becomes secondary. The real product was attention. Franchises were sold for millions of dollars. Players were auctioned like millions of dollars of luxury assets. And suddenly, the Indian parents get a new dream career. Batsman, fast bowler, wicket keeper, fielder. One player gets sold for 20 crores, and the engineer starts feeling like a backup plan. But the real genius of IPL was psychology. Modern people not just watch cricket anymore, they get into it. They get the emotion of cricket. For few hours, bills disappear, stress disappear, their problems get vanished. And honestly, that's addictive. But while fans saw entertainment, companies saw consumers, broadcasters see millions of people to watch their IPL, sponsors saw attention, and fantasy apps saw a goldmine. Probably the greatest printing machine in India after Coaching Institute. Strategic timeout sponsored, replay sponsored, boundary sponsored. At this point, even breathing near the stadium feels like a brand deal. And in this way, more money entered the IPL. The more cricket start changing, players stop being just cricketers. They become influencers. They become a celebrity.
Boost is the secret of our energy.
Today, talent isn't enough. You need PR, you need following, you need Instagram followers, a tired employee, a stressed student, a family with so many problems. For a few hours, they escape. Over 500 million people watch IPL live. And that's more than the population of so many countries combined. For 2 months every year, the IPL controls India media industry. YouTube becomes IPL reaction, and WhatsApp becomes the war between uncles that which player is better, which team is better. But he can remember which IPL team won in 2018. And IPL discovered one more dangerous truth. Emotions keep people addicted. Hope, anger, team spirit, controversy, and that's the IPL game. It's just the social media with one bat and one ball. One close match, and suddenly the whole country forgets his exam, his work, unemployment, and stress for hours. And suddenly millions of people forget unemployment, forget stress, forget their problems, forget inflation, they forget everything. And maybe that's why the league become unstoppable. In the early days, cricket only need talent, but nowadays cricket needs branding. Cricket needs followers. Cricket needs media attention. Nowadays, cricketers are not just players. They have become a brand promoter. One viral inning and suddenly the social media treats you like you have made a Marvel movie. Top players earns from contracts, the salary from BCCI, advertisements, sponsorships, Instagram Instagram reels, and somewhere in between they also play cricket. But fames always come with a cost. One bad inning can end the life, can end the career of a player. One bad inning can cause suddenly the collapse of an economy for a player. Imagine a 21-year boy getting abused by a man named King Kohli 777 with a profile picture of an anime. Think of that. In IPL, failure is an entertainment. Every dropped catch becomes a meme. Every bad match becomes a content. And the social media never forgets. And the fans, they stop behaving like supporters. They become online armies. Dhoni fan, Virat fan, CSK army, RCB army. At this time, IPL fandom looks like an social media warfare. At this point, IPL feels less like a sports but more like a social media war game. People who can't survive one real life confrontation can write 19 paragraphs on how this team is better, how this team is not wrong, how this team will win. Millions of people emotionally collapse because the millionaire player didn't hit a century. And honestly, that level of emotional commitment should count as a marriage. But here the scary part comes. People attach their identity to the team they support. When their team wins, they feel like they have become successful. And when their team fails, starts fighting strangers on online platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. But this was only the beginning. When billions of people entered into a sport, the sport never stays the same. The pressure increases, the trolling increases, and the business expands. And slowly the game itself becomes secondary. Because today IPL is not just cricket. It has become advertisement. It has become brand deals. It has become a media controlled center. IPL often influences the politics. So basically it has become the attention factory of India. And somewhere between the sixes, the fireworks, the fantasy apps, the billions of dollars of auctions, cricket quietly transformed into something else. Because in the real world, attention is the real trophy.